Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and opening a live connection. Make sure Python 3.7 or newer is installed. The Sqlite 3 module is in the standard library. Once done, choose or create your database file, then import Sqlite 3 and call Sqlite 3. Connect example db to get a connection. You should also set row factory if you want dict-like rows. Finally, create a cursor for executing statements. This lets you run SQL commands directly from Python without extra tools. Next, you'll design schema and perform CRUD operations. Use cursor. Execute with create table if not exists to define tables and run parameterized insert using placeholders to keep data safe. Once you batch inserts or updates, call con. Commit, so changes persist. Using a with con, block auto commits and rolls back on errors. To fetch results, use cursor, fetch all or fetch own, and close the cursor when done. This structured approach keeps your database consistent and your code readable. To finish, ensure you clean up resources and verify results. Close the cursor and call con. Close, or rely on with statements to auto-close. This prevents locks. If you need diagnostics, run pragma table info and explain query plan to understand schema and performance. If something goes wrong, first confirm the database file path and file system permissions, then look for uncommitted transactions that left locks. If needed, delete the DB lock or restart the process. These steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.